There was a man who was frustrated with life. In spite of all his hard work for the last few years, all he saw was failure and dejection. One day he decides to leave everything and proceed to the woods, where he meets a saint. The disappointed man shares his failure to the saint. The saint takes him to a fern and a bamboo plant and says, "When I planted this fern and bamboo seed, I took good care of both of them. I watered and nurtured them every day by giving enough sunlight and fertilizer. Within few days, the fern seed sprouted and started growing from the bed of earth. But nothing came out of the bamboo seed for a year. I continued to water and nurture the bamboo seed. There was no sign of outward growth in the second year too. In fact, even third and fourth year passed by without any sign of sprouting. I did not give up on the bamboo seed and continued watering and nurturing. By the fifth year, tiny bamboo sprout emerged from earth, and within the next 6 to 8 weeks, it grew 80 feet tall." Now the question to the man was, did the bamboo lie dormant for the last 4 years? Answer is obviously no. The little tree was growing roots underground for 4 years, which can support its outward growth in the 5th year and beyond. The saint mentions to the man, "Did you know that all the time you were struggling, you were growing strong roots within?" Patience and perseverance is equally important as hard work for your growth and success. While patience is all about tolerance, perseverance is about determination. They are like the pedals of the cycle which keeps you moving forward. Developing virtues of patience and perseverance can have magical effect on your growth. Thank you very much.